Gift from the creator. This is soul of the earth, and if all the water on the earth disappear, it's the end of the earth.
This is Hanaya from Grade 2 presenting today morning assembly on the very special occasion of the World Water Day. Wishing everyone a wonderful World Water Day. Save water, save yourself. Let us start today's morning assembly.
How to use water? Drinking water, washing clothes, cooking, watering plants, cleaning.
How to save water?
To save water.
Repeat.
Save water. Save life. Save water. Turn off tap after each use. Take showers bath. Turn off tap while applying soap. Turn off tap while brushing teeth.
My name is Rafe. I read grade 7. Today I am here to tell you the importance of fresh and clean water. Dear fellows, fresh and clean water is necessary for good health. And all of you know that health is wealth. To show you the importance of clean water, I made this water dispenser. Water dispenser is also known as water cooler. Dear fellows, look at this. This is water dispenser. It will be open. Look at that. Now I fill my glass of water.
Me. Oh.
Now I filled my glass of water by my water dispenser. Thank you.
My name is Isha Padma. I live in grade class 18. No water that long. My name is Mohammed. I read in 1st grade. No